Hey everyone, today I am taking you through my journey with the IELTSvarta app, focusing on how I practice and improve my English for the IELTS test. So let's get started, guys. Here's the IELTSvarta app. So let's dive right in. So I'm going to hit this start practice button to get the today's topic. So you have one cue card pending, so unlock it. And now it's talk about a dream or aspiration that you have since childhood. So it's saying me to start recording, and by the trainer there are various steps mentioned. How should I go with the problem? So they are great for structuring my thoughts before I dive into the speaking. So yeah. Now I'm going to record my response. It's super easy. Just press the recording button. So guys, my topic is talk about a dream or aspiration that you have since childhood. So yeah.
You have 2 minutes time to speak.
2 minutes
Please
time
start
to
after
speak.
the beep.
Okay. So I have clicked the upload button. I have made my recording. So here is my score in this. You could see it gives me a complete detail of how should I have spoken and the steps I should have followed while speaking, and it tells my strengths and weaknesses too. So yeah, it also provides with vocabulary words and how it should be pronounced. So it's really very good for my spoken English practice. So here's the best part IELTSvarta suggested, how to refine my response for a higher score. Okay. Moreover, I learned new vocabulary words with their meanings and pronunciations. So using IELTSvarta has been a game changer in my daily IELTS practice, as I have shown you. It's not just about getting a score, how much I am getting. It's about really improving my English every day. So if you are preparing for IELTS, I'll highly recommend give it a try. See the improvement for yourself.